Hello, welcome back again with me here, Lina Dichiera at Great Home Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm gonna show you I made some bak kwa. It's a Chinese dish where they always made it on the Chinese New Year. Normally we call it pork jerky, but I made it. This one is from the beef mincemeat. All right, let's get started. Get ready the ingredient. First of all, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 80 gram sugar, and 500 gram minced meat. I use beef mince. Okay? Ready the empty bowl. 500 gram minced meat. I use beef mince. Put the minced meat into the bowl. Add some sugar. I use about 80 gram sugar. Pour on the top of mincemeat. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now stir it to mix it well. After mix it well the mincemeat, use the wrapping paper to cover the bowl. Leave it on the fridge for about 4 hours, and after 4 hours we start to get ready to heat the oven. Turn on the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and use fan bake. Ready the baking tray and cover with the baking paper. Put the mincemeat into the baking tray, and I use the bigger spoon to press it down. Level it around the tray gently. I use wrapping paper to cover the mincemeat. And use a wooden rolling pin to roll the mincemeat flat like a tray. It's just about a few inches thick. And then make sure rolling evenly. I take it out the plastic out, and then I use the spoon to level up all in the edges. And yeah. Bake 160 degree in the oven about 15 minutes. After that, take it out from the oven. Use pizza cutter to cut into the bite-sized squares. Use this thread to place the bak kwa. I use honey and brush the honey to the bak kwa. Make sure I brush it evenly. Grill at 240 degrees for 3 minutes each side. After that, put it in the oven again. Take it out after 3 minutes. Take it out from the oven and then turn it over and do the same thing. I do like this so the honey is drip on the top of meat. Brush it with the honey and put it in the oven about 3 minutes. Now bak kwa is ready. Let it cool down for a few minutes and ready to serve. For watching, give thumbs up and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and see you on the next video.